हेलो गाइस, दिस इज दिव्यांश पाठक बैक अगेन विद ए न्यू वीडियो। सो इस वीडियो के लिए मेरे को एक इवेंट में टास्क दिया गया है कि मेरे को पिच करना है एक इन्वेस्टर को। सो लेट मी स्टार्ट बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग माय कंपनी फर्स्ट। At Homelane, we bring together functionality and aesthetics to provide homeowners with customized and efficient home designs. हमने इंडिया में एक प्रॉब्लम देखी है स्पेशली इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग इंडस्ट्री की। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है। कस्टमर्स को बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं लाइक बैड वर्क क्वालिटी, अनएक्सप्लेन डिलेज, हाई कॉस्ट एक्सेट्रा. So we are bringing the solution to this problem. The way which we are using to solve this problem is that we provide for making hundreds of design availability to customizing what customer wants and then mutually deciding what would be the best for the customer. हम हमारी वेबसाइट्स पे बहुत सारी डिज़ाइंस अवेलेबल हैं, हम कस्टमर्स को वो दिखाते हैं, देन कस्टमर्स उसमें से कुछ सिलेक्ट करते हैं जिनको वो पसंद करते हैं, देन वो उसमें कुछ कस्टमाइजेशन ऐड कराना चाहते हैं वो भी करते हैं। हम कस्टमर से इंटरेक्ट भी करते हैं। वी हैव 2-3 राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन एज वेल. नाउ कमिंग टू द मार्केट साइज, इट इज़ अराउंड 20 billion to 30 billion US dollars. This industry is also supposed to grow by an 8% CAGR in the upcoming years, which is quite good. Now coming to our targeted audience, we are currently targeting only the urban population, which is 31% of our total population. We are already present in 14 cities like Delhi, Noida, बेंगलोर, गाज़ियाबाद, हैदराबाद एक्सेट्रा. अब हम इतनी सारी सिटीज़ में प्रेजेंट है तो हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स भी होंगे ऑब्वियसली. सो वी हैव आवर कॉम्पिटिटर्स लाइक लिव स्पेस, डिज़ाइन कैफे एक्सेट्रा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स इज व्हाट इज़ दैट थिंग विच वी आर डूइंग यूनिकली विच नो वन other is doing? What is that thing which separates us from our competitors? So that uniqueness lies in the quality what we deliver. We offer a 45 days installation promise, that what we promise to our customers. We also have done 1900 projects, have 20,000 plus happy customers all over the country, have 900 plus design experts. We also offer 10-year material guarantee with post installation support as well. We are also awarded Economic Times Best Brands of 2020. Now coming to the marketed budget, we have decided 100 crores as the marketing budget for the financial year 2021, and we will use this budget in digital advertisement and creating brand awareness. Till date, we have raised almost 64.5 million US dollars through 3 rounds of funding. Investors like Sequoia Capital, Aaron Capital, Growth Story has invested in us. Now we are looking for an investment of lump sum 50 million US dollars, and we will use this investment in advertising again, building our own technical team, because we are only having our website. We do not have an Android app or an iOS app, so we will also build that. We are also planning to expand to 25 more cities in the next 18 months and are aimed to get 35% of our revenue from that. Our past investors has also predicted that our valuation will double in the next 2 or 3 years. So our ultimate goal is to expand first in India and become the market leader here, and then we will also try and aspire us to become the market leader globally. Thank you.